Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fuel injectors on a Dodge Charger. First, ensure your vehicle is cool and parked on a level surface. Gather all your tools, including a fuel line disconnect tool and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, relieve the fuel system pressure to avoid any hazardous fuel spills during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's get to accessing those injectors. Begin by removing the engine cover and any other components that might be in your way, like air intake tubes. Carefully disconnect the electrical connectors from each fuel injector. These can be delicate. Next, detach the fuel lines from the fuel rail. Be prepared for a small amount of residual fuel to escape, even after relieving pressure, so have rags ready. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY guides. And speaking of staying cool under the hood, remember to stay hydrated yourself. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold while you work. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With access clear, it's time for removal and installation. Unbolt the fuel rail, then gently pull it away from the intake manifold. The old injectors should come out with the rail or remain in the manifold. Carefully remove them. Before installing the new injectors, lubricate their new O-rings with a small amount of clean engine oil. Press the new injectors firmly into the fuel rail and then into the intake manifold ports, ensuring they are fully seated. Now for reassembly and testing. Carefully reattach the fuel rail, making sure all bolts are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all fuel lines and electrical connectors to each injector, ensuring they are secure. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting the engine, turn the key to the on position a few times to prime the fuel system and check for any leaks. Then, start the engine and inspect again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.